Welcome back to our Dream in the Woods. Just getting going here this morning. Eric and I plan on doing 2 lifts today in the barn foundation. We got six super dumps delivered this week. Eric started feathering it out last night, and I rented a walk behind roller compactor. And so we're hoping to get these 6 compacted. Then we have 4 more trucks coming this afternoon, and then spread that out and lift and compact those. So we'll see how close we get as far as getting to our final elevation. So let's get to it. Well, we're just back getting to it again this morning. Yesterday went pretty well, so we ended up, we initially started with 6 loads, and then we got 4 more. The second 4 loads were 3/4 inch minus, and we were able to bring it up in the front. We just need to finish compacting it, and then the back, need to spread it out a little bit. And we appear maybe in the back to be about 6 inches short, but we're going to leave it for now. Let me show you where we're at here. So this front part's basically at grade. The side here in front of us still needs to be compacted, but we're trying to get within about 4 inches of the top of those sonotubes. We're going to bring in sand to do the final 2 inches or so, 2.5 inches. And then we'll put 2 inches of foam that will bring us up to the top of the sonotubes, and then we'll put in a 6-inch slab on top of that. On the back here, we still have some spreading to do, and that's all been compacted in there. But we're hoping to, with this material, to get to about the top of the sonotubes, and so it'll still take some more gravel here in the back, but we're going to focus on getting the front sand in after this, and with that, then laying out the forms and getting the foam down, rebar, and then we're having someone else pour the slab itself and finish it. So, but getting closer. The Wacker Neuson, whatever that little remote controlled compactor is working like a champ. It's doing a great job. So glad we got it. Well, this was the accomplishment. We ended up bringing 6 loads of 2.5 ballast is what they call it. That's the same thing we put on the road last year. Compacted really nice, so that's what we used as the start. And then 4 loads of 3/4 inch minus. It brought the south section, or the south part of the barn that we're going to put the slab to where we wanted it. Now we're going to bring in some sand and bring it within 2 inches of the top of these forms. That will allow us to put 2 inches of foam board down for insulation, and then it'll get 6 inches of concrete. So one question for the viewers out there is, would you put the vapor barrier under the foam board, or would you put it on top? Kind of seeing it both ways. Don't know exactly which is the best way. Seems like underneath would be simpler, but just a question out there for you guys. Appreciate you watching. Let's catch you next time.